In this video, I'm going to show you a simple method to take attendance in Google Meet. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. To do that, I'm going to use a free Chrome extension called Meet Attendance. So let's open the browser and head to the Chrome Web Store. Search Meet Attendance on the store and install this extension. Once installed, go to Google Meet and proceed with your meeting. When you are in the meeting, click the People option from the top. As you can see, the People tab now has a few extra features. By clicking this button, we can create a new spreadsheet to store attendance. Then we can proceed with your Google account to create the spreadsheet. When we create a new sheet, it opens the sheet in a new tab. Initially, the sheet is empty. To mark the attendance, you have to reopen the People tab in the meeting. When we do that, it adds all the meeting participants in the list, thus marking attendance. You can view the sheet from here and verify the entries. Apart from creating a new spreadsheet every time, you can click this Add option that will create a new sheet inside the original spreadsheet. To stop marking the attendance whenever we open the People tab, we can turn off the feature and enable it when needed. That's it guys, this is how you can mark attendance in Google Meet. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.